Hello everyone and welcome to Scholarships Corner. Scholarships Corner is back with a very interesting, fully funded international volunteer program opportunity in Turkey. But before we give you the details about the program,
don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel of Scholarships Corner. Click on subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates on new and interesting videos. Visit our community tab and join our Telegram channel for daily updates on your phone on a daily basis. Click on this link to subscribe to our Telegram channel.
the International Volunteer Forum 2022 in Istanbul is a unique opportunity for young and emerging leaders from all over the world. It will benefit from their work and experience by listening to the debates of delegates and analyzing the skills of delegates in formulating and proposing viable solutions to the critical issues that the world is facing. Hello everyone, and delegates will better understand sustainable growth opportunities, development goals to achieve the UN's 2030 agenda. This fully funded conference will consist of discussions about successful initiatives and actions based on a realistic approach. This forum also tends to take participants on a lifelong journey of capacity building through simulations, panel discussions, workshops, and plenary sessions. More than 500 chain makers are expected to attend the HISA International Volunteer Forum, who are driven towards community enhancement through their dedicated projects and innovative ideas. Some more details about the program. The host organization is Headway Institute of Strategic Alliance. The duration of the program is from 17th to 20th November 2022. Benefits of the International Volunteer Forum. 25 delegates will be invited as fully funded participants. Round-trip airfare will be provided, international and domestic travel and ground transportation, 4-star hotel accommodation, meals for all the forum days, forum merchandise. You will get the opportunity to interact with like-minded people around the globe, participation certificate that would be a great addition to your career profile. Your professional skills will be polished in different dimensions, chance to raise your voice in the formulation of policies that affect you, and chance to explore Turkish culture. The eligibility criteria: the candidate must be between 15 to 45 years of age. The candidate must be able to communicate in English. People from all backgrounds can apply, but candidates actively engaged in community work are encouraged to apply, passionate to contribute to the development of new ideas. How to apply for the International Volunteer Forum? Fully funded seats, applicants have to apply through the official website, complete the IVF 2020 registration form. You need to provide the basic information, upload your picture and pictorial representation of your past social work. The HISA program team will contact applicants selected for interviews based on the motivation demonstrated in the application. Interviews will take place virtually. The list of fully funded candidates will be announced on 10th October 2022. The deadline to apply for this program is September 25th. Click on Apply now to start your application. Click on Register for the HISA IVF Istanbul. Select the program that you want to apply to, fully funded or self-funded. Add your basic information. Add your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, your date of birth, your country of current residence, Turkish visa required, yes or no. Upload your picture and upload your passport and ID card, and then click on Next. The next step is a scholarship selection. Have you volunteered previously? Select yes or no. Are you part of any volunteer organization? Select yes or no. Write down the names of the organizations you represent. Write down your brief bio, interests, and personal characteristics. List any achievements if you have. Why do you want to apply for the International Volunteer Forum? How does your background and interest make you competitive for this forum? And then click on Next. The next step is the Terms and Condition. Click on the Privacy Policy and Terms and Condition and then click on Next. And then the final step is the submission. You have to pay an application fee of $12. Add your card number and your CVC and then click on Pay and Submit. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.